Indonesia di Sekitarmu from BasaBasa Learning Center. Welcome back to the channel with me, Indi, and I'm going to assist you in learning Indonesian today. Are you a food lover? Or do you enjoy trying new cuisines and exploring different cultures? If so, you are in for a treat. In today's episode, we will be exploring one of the most delicious and culturally significant aspects of Indonesian culture. That is, its food and the most common cooking method in Indonesian cuisine. Indonesian cuisine is renowned for its diverse flavors and cooking techniques, influenced by the country's history and geography. From savory fried dishes to spicy stews, Indonesian food is a feast for the senses that reflects the country's unique cultural identity. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first one is goreng. Goreng is an Indonesian word that means fried. It is a commonly used term in Indonesian cuisine and is often used to describe a variety of dishes that has been deep-fried, stir-fried, or pan-fried. For example, tempe goreng means fried tempe, and while nasi goreng means fried rice. The term goreng is an important part of Indonesian cooking, as many dishes in Indonesian cuisine involve some form of frying. The use of hot oil is a quick and effective way to cook food, and it adds a delicious, crispy textures and many flavors to dishes. The second one is rebus. Rebus is an Indonesian word that means boiled or poached. It is a common cooking method in Indonesian cuisine, particularly for preparing soups, broths, and other liquid-based dishes. When ingredients are rebus, they are usually simmered in water or broth until they are cooked through or tender. This method is often used for cooking vegetables, meats, and seafood in Indonesian cuisine, and it is particularly popular for preparing dishes such as soto ayam or chicken soto, sayur lodeh or vegetable stew, and bakso or meatball soup. Rebus is a simple and healthy cooking method that is popular in many different cuisines around the world, including Indonesian cuisine. It allows the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through, and it is an excellent way to infuse broths and soup with rich and savory flavors. The third one is bakar. Bakar is an Indonesian word that means grilled or barbecued. It is a common cooking method in Indonesian cuisine, particularly for preparing meats, fish, and vegetables. When ingredients are bakar, they are typically grilled over an open flame, which imparts a smoky flavor and crispy texture to the food. Bakar dishes are often marinated in flavorful spices or sauces before grilling, which further enhances their taste. Some examples of bakar cuisine in Indonesia include ayam bakar or grilled chicken and sate ayam or grilled chicken skewers. These dishes are often served with rice and a side of spicy sambal, which is a chili-based condiment that is popular in Indonesian cuisine. Bakar is a popular cooking method in Indonesia because it allows the natural flavors of the ingredients to shine through, while also imparting a delicious smoky flavor and crispy texture. Whether enjoyed at a street food stall or a fancy restaurant, bakar dishes are a beloved part of Indonesian cuisine. Number 4 is semur. Semur is an Indonesian word that refers to a type of meat stew that is flavored with sweet soy sauce and other spices. When preparing a semur, meat, often beef, but sometimes can be chicken or sometimes can be tempeh and tofu, is first marinated in a mixture of sweet soy sauce, spices, and sometimes tamarind or sugar, and sometimes tamarind or vinegar. The meat is often simmered and then marinated until it is tender and infused with flavor. The resultant dish is typically sweet and savory with a rich and flavorful sauce that is perfect for soaking up with a serving of rice. Number 5 is gulai. Gulai is an Indonesian word that refers to a type of rich, spicy, and flavorful stew that is often made with meat, seafood, or vegetables. It is a common method in Indonesian cooking. When preparing a gulai, ingredients are often simmered in a mixture of coconut milk, spices, and herbs until they are tender and infused with flavor. The resultant dish is usually rich and creamy with a complex blend of spices and a hint of sweetness from the coconut milk. Examples of gulai dishes in Indonesian include gulai ayam or chicken gulai and gulai kambing or lamb gulai. These dishes are often served with rice, and they may be accompanied by other traditional Indonesian condiments such as sambal and kerupuk. or crackers. So that's it for our episode on common cooking methods in Indonesian cuisine. Whether you are a food lover, or a culture enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys trying new things, I encourage you to seek out Indonesian cuisine and experience it for yourself. I hope this episode has inspired you to continue your journey of discovery, and I look forward to sharing more insights and knowledge with you in future episodes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!